being able to come to these dogs' homes every day and be greeted with tails wagging and giant smile and a little cuddle time has really helped just help me lead a happier life every day. I'm excited to see the dogs, and I'm excited when we get the chance to go outside together, and I'm excited to watch them have a blast. It's really fulfilling for me to see them running around, getting exercise, and to know that when they get home, they're going to be tuckered out and they're going to be so much happier than they were before I arrived. So it really helps me get a sense that I've done something good for the day. So that's been a wonderful aspect, to be able to actually notice how the dogs become more calm and happy by the end of the walk. And when I drop them off, at the end of the day, I often get an email from the owners letting me know that, wow, my little dog is just tuckered out and happy, and it's a very noticeable difference for them. So they have a more thriving member of their household. So these are all things that have been very satisfying for me in this job. And then not only am I helping the clients and the dogs, but it's also been wonderful for my own self to get outside and get exercise. One of the big reasons why this job appealed to me is that I can get outside and breathe the fresh air and go for walks, which is supposed to be one of the healthiest things you can do for yourself. When I finished working for my last job at a corporation in Toronto, I decided that I didn't want to do any more jobs that didn't feel right for my soul, basically. And working with dogs has been absolutely fulfilling in that way.